Hello again, dear students. One more time, I wanna welcome you back to EasEnglish, your English learning program. This is Rodrigo Lasso Campo as usual, and I am presenting lesson 204, part 2, lesson 204, part 2 in Curso Básico Level 1. You know, the lesson is about city animals. So in this part, we are going to be doing the activities. There are two, and this is the first. You see, there are 4 boxes. In each box, you should draw a picture of an animal that lives in the city. So the activity is about the illustration of 4 different animals that live in the city. As you know, I am bad at drawing pictures, so I have chosen to paste 4 pictures showing 4 animals that live in the city. I will label the animals, and besides that, I am going to talk about what those animals do as it is referred to in the lesson. Let's do it. Well, here are the 4 different kinds of animals I have chosen to show you. As written in the lesson, these 4 kinds of animals live in cities. Did you coincide with me? Have you chosen the 4 same kinds of animals to talk about? Well, let's talk a little bit about these 4 different kinds of animals. First, I am presenting each, and then I will say something about them. Can you do the same? This is an opossum. Opossums like to come out at night. These are pigeons. Some people like to feed pigeons. Do you like to feed pigeons? This is a raccoon. Raccoons take food from trash bins. Here is a trash bin, and we can see this raccoon is taking food to eat from this trash bin. Here is a picture of a trash bin or garbage bin. Can you see it? This is a hawk. Hawks may live in cities. They make nests on tall buildings. Here we can see one flying up high. Have you ever seen a hawk? Summing up this activity, we can say that opossums, pigeons, raccoons, and hawks live in cities. Opossums like to come out at night. Some people like to feed pigeons. Raccoons take food from trash bins, and hawks make nests on tall buildings. This is the second activity. It is about completing these 6 sentences, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, by using one word at a time in this box. No word can be repeated. Please notice that all the words in this box begin with an S blend. So this exercise is about S blend words. Let me write that. I suggest that you try to complete the sentences by yourself and compare your sentences to mine after we have finished. After we have completed the words, I will try to explain some of the sentences that probably you will find difficult to figure out. Is that right? Let's do it. Here are my sentences. Do you make the same sentences? Let's read them together. The snow is cold. You can spin a top. The sun will burn your skin. You need to sit still. Can we swim in your pool? An ant is very small. I told you to notice that each word begins in an S blend. That's why I have written here S blend words. Small begins with the SM blend. Swim begins with the SW blend. Snow begins with the SN blend. Skin begins with the SK blend. Spin begins with the SP blend, and still begins with the ST blend. The following pictures will probably help you to understand those sentences that you found difficult to make out. Here you are. The first sentence reads, snow is cold. And this picture shows you snow. Snow falls in winter, not in Colombia, but in other countries, European countries, North American countries. Snow falls in winter. The snow is cold, and you get cold while staying in the snow. Sentence 2 reads, you can spin a top. This photograph is showing a child spinning a top. This is the top, and this child is spinning a top. The action this child performs is to spin a top, but we can say also that the top is spinning. Can you spin a top? I used to spin tops when I was little. However, I spun a top about 6 years ago again in a game that I played with some men from my church. It was a lot of fun. Sentence 3 reads, the sun will burn your skin. This photograph shows a person whose skin on the back was burned by the sun. The sun has burned this person's skin on the back. Has the sun ever burned your skin? The next sentence reads, you need to sit still. It is necessary for you to sit still. And we see in this photograph a person sitting still. This person is sitting and is not moving. She is still. She is sitting still. Do you need to sit still sometimes? The next sentence reads, can we swim in your pool? That person is asking someone else for the permission to swim in their pool. And here we can see someone swimming in a pool. Do you like swimming? Swimming in a pool? And the last sentence reads, an ant is very small. This is the picture of an ant. As compared to an elephant, for example, which is very big, an ant is very small. Well, dear students, it was really great to talk to you again. This was Rodrigo Lazo Campo, your English teacher from Easy Training. Have a very nice day. See you next time.